Make a great choice today with
the 2025 Ford Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a compact pickup that blends versatility and efficiency. Inside, it packs modern comfort and connectivity that makes the truck useful for everything from errands to weekend projects. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, compass, overhead console. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.